Okay, so I'm going to make this salmon. I just got this from the store. What I like to do first, it has scale in the back, but usually I don't do anything with the scale. I just wash this. Hold on. I like to wash it first. Wash the fish. Front and back. Here I have the fish. Alright. I'm gonna just lay it here for a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna put this pan on. This is what I'm gonna do. Now that I have the oil in this big, large skidder, I'm gonna turn the stove down a little bit. Remember the fish? I'm going to put the fish in the skidder. Hold on, I want it to lay it real flat. Okay, it's real flat. Because the fish is so long, I'm going to hold it like sideways. I want the oil to really be eaten out. Now, I haven't seasoned this fish yet. No seasoning yet. So, I'm going to add, my goodness, I'm going to turn this down. I don't need it on a high fire. I have sea salt in my little bottle here. It's a pink salt, I should say. I'm going to add pink salt onto this fish. And black peppers, of course. I have parsley. Ooh, sorry, I have parsley. I'm going to sprinkle some parsley on this fish. Okay. Because this is an oversized pan, I'm going to use my paper, I'll show you. I forgot the name. Baking paper. Not the foil. Not the same foil. But this is the baking paper, baking sheet. I'm going to just cover it. I'm going to keep it covered to let it cook. And then I'm going to tilt it. I also have my broccoli here steaming. Alright, and so I'm going to have, for tonight's dinner will be broccoli and salmon fish. So I'm going to cover this up and let it steam. Alright, let's uncover this fish and check it out. I'll take my paper, baking paper, and test this out. I think I need to turn down the stove. Listen, you don't need a lot of heat. So, and this is for people who don't like a whole lot of seasoning on their food. Just light seasoning. I'm going to take this thing. This pan is not balanced, so I try to tilt it just to make sure that, you know, it's like balanced in a way to cook. Yeah. I'm trying not to get this fish all cooking up. So, now the trick to the moment is coming. Looks like it's brown underneath. Gonna get something else to support me in flipping this fish. So Make sure I turn it really low, turn the fire really low, and I'm going to try my best to flip this fish. There you go. The fish is flipped. You see that? Alrighty. Again, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of black pepper. And listen, one thing I forgot to add was the lemon juice. I actually wanted a fresh lemon, but because I don't have fresh lemon, I'm going to add some lemon juice and let it just sit in the bag. I'm going to turn it around though later on and have lemon juice added onto this. But don't forget, add your paper. If you have an oversized pan and don't have a lid for it, get yourself a baking sheet right here, just a baking paper, and cover it up. It should be okay. It should withstand the heat. All right, let's check the broccoli here. Okay, broccoli look like it's good. I really don't let my broccoli all, overcook. So the broccoli is good. I'm only waiting right now for this baby to be done and dinner will be served. Okay, let's uncover this and check the fish. And listen, I'm going to flip this over again so you guys can go. Let's make sure. Wow, oh man, this is stressing me out. All right, let's see. The first one didn't do that though. Oh man, now it's going to break up my fish. But you know what? This is it. You can only do the best you can. But all right, I'm going to see what I can do here. Throw this over. Oh, my Lord. Alrighty. So my fish is cracked, but all is not lost. I'm going to add some more lemon juice. And I'm going to add, all right, good. And I'm going to put some lemon. I should have, it's best with lemon, not lime. But hey, it is what it is. I'm going to decorate that to eat. And what else do I have here? I'm going to turn this off. Turn the stove off because you know what? You don't want your fish. I don't like my fish overcooked. So, and I'm just going to add a little bit of garnishing over on top of this. And this is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. I hope you tried this and show me what you did. All right, so this is my plate. I kind of separated the broccoli from my fish. This is so tasty. Yeah, the broccoli is just the good consistency that I wanted.